studio vlog. It's been a while since I have touched base with you guys, and you might notice that we're in a completely different spot than I usually am when I record. And if you watched my last vlog, you'll know that I talked about coming back to my hometown to be with my family for a while after getting some pretty tragic news, which I don't really want to go into. All that matters is I decided to come home to be with my family for a little while. So yeah, I'm here, I'm home. It's been a rough past couple weeks, but it's been really good to be home. Yeah, it's good to be around family. So I'm kind of in a temporary setup right now. I don't plan on staying here for too long, but there's a little bit of an adjustment coming back to my family's house, and yeah, we kind of just had to scramble quickly to get some sort of setup up here. So yeah, and in terms of everything else, I'm kind of just trying to get back into a schedule again with work and with creating. Some of you guys might have noticed that a week ago or so, I put an update on my shop saying that my processing time was going from 1 to 2 weeks to 2 to 4 weeks. So that would just give me the time that I needed to figure out how to get orders out. So I'm gonna try and change that again. Things are gonna be a little difficult in terms of shipping because I use Chit Chats, and from my parents' house, there's no Chit Chats drop-off location anywhere even close to me. So I'm gonna have to try and figure that out. So that's on my agenda. But to be honest, creating really hasn't been at the top of my schedule lately. I feel a little blah and a little art blocky and a little sad. So, but that's just how it goes sometimes. So hopefully throughout this vlog and the coming vlogs, I'll get back into the groove of things and I'll start making things again. Before everything happened, I was planning a shop update for early mid-November, and it's now the 19th, so we're mid-November for sure. And I don't know if it's gonna happen. And if it does, it will probably happen at least in a couple weeks. So we might plan for the shop update in this vlog. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me as I work from home and try to get some stuff done. And I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody who reached out to me on my social medias when I kind of told everyone that something had happened. Yeah, it means a lot. I got a lot of supportive messages and it really did make a difference. So thank you so much if you were one of the people who reached out. I read every comment and I tried to respond to pretty much everything. So thank you. It means a lot. Anyway, let's get into the working day. I'll touch base with you guys later. Bye. I thought I would just take a moment to show you guys my setup right now. It's not really finished, and it was kind of haphazardly thrown together, but this is it. I'm using my sister's new desk temporarily before she's gonna eventually use it, but I get to take advantage of it for now. And it's massive and beautiful. And I brought my printer and my trolley, my other trolley from my apartment, and I have my portrait to unbox later in this video, hopefully, maybe the next one, I'm not sure yet. I have another studio earbuds to unbox because they gifted me another pair, which is insane. And then I have an order from Lee Alexan to unbox as well. But yeah, this is my setup right now. It's me. I just packed up a whole bunch of orders and I'm not quite done. I have a couple yet to do, but I'll be finishing those later so that I can hopefully have them picked up on Monday. And I think I figured that all out, so that's good. I'm feeling a lot less stressed, and yeah, I feel like I'm slowly starting to feel in control of things again a little bit. It's Saturday. I think I'm gonna go on a hike soon with my family. Thank you guys for reaching the end of this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. I don't know how the whole COVID situation is wherever you guys are, but here things are getting pretty scary again. Some areas of Canada have gone back into lockdown. Where I live has not gone into lockdown yet, but there's talks of it going back into lockdown soon, so I don't really know if I will be in lockdown the next time I touch base with you guys or not. So that's pretty scary. Everybody stay safe, stay home as much as you can, wear those masks, keep those masks on, and yeah, I hope you guys are having a good evening or morning or afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I will touch base with you guys next week. Bye!
Oh, there's a penis on it. Nice.